Content creation using AI is now trending. Whether it's creating images or videos, everything is possible now. And faceswap is one of the most essential tools if you are in the content creation industry. The main issue while using these AI tools is that you have to pay a lot. But guess what? Today, I'm going to share an amazing AI platform that will literally surprise you, because it has a bunch of AI features, and they are completely free to use. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, I was talking about PixNova AI, a complete solution for content creators. With this tool, you can create images from text prompts, customize images using AI, swap faces between images and videos, and much more. And most importantly, everything is free of cost, and you don't need to create an account. I will put the link in the description. Just head over, and you will be on this page. Before diving deep, let me introduce another amazing platform called Hostinger Horizon. It's an AI-powered tool that allows you to create incredible web apps or websites by simply chatting with AI, without any coding. Think of it as an AI software engineer at your fingertips. You can create landing pages or any kind of web app only with text prompts, no expertise needed, and the steps are pretty simple. Once you are logged into your Hostinger Horizon account, your interface will look like this. Now, click on the Try Now button here. Once you're on this page, describe your landing page or web app here in this box. Imagine I want to create a landing page where I will put my digital product to sell. So, I am entering a detailed prompt mentioning the landing page outline, product types, and other information. Once the prompt is ready, you can hit the Send button to generate the landing page. However, if you have a design or sketch of the landing page, you can upload the design by clicking here. You can also give voice commands. Once everything is set, hit the Send button. And here it is. You can see that the AI is writing the code for us and generating the landing page. It will take some time. And here it is. The landing page is ready. Look at the quality of the landing page. This is a perfect and professional landing page. I like it. Now, if you think you need some customization on your landing page, you can do it using only text prompts. For example, I am typing. Change the pricing list as individual assets as $10 to $50 and complete bundle as $250 with 50% discount. And here it is. The work is done. Hostinger Horizon customizes the pricing list. Now in this method, you can customize any part of the landing page. It's the simplest and easiest way to create a landing page in a few minutes. Now, you can publish the landing page directly by clicking on the Publish button from here. You will get a URL like this. You can share this link with your audience. In this method, you can create any kind of web app also. Hostinger Horizon is the platform to create a landing page and a web app from text prompts, along with the hosting. Within the same Hostinger Horizon platform, you can also have a domain, a branded email, and the hosting of the web app. The Horizons plans start at $9.99, but the most popular one is $19.99. Get a free trial today with Hostinger Horizons and use my code AILOCKUP10 to get 10% off your first month. The link will be in the description box. Here at the top of the page, you will find all the tools to create your content. First of all, let's have a look at the AI image generator. I am selecting the realistic image generator from the AI art generator. Once you are on the free realistic AI image generator page, click on the Try Realistic AI Image Generator button. Okay, this is the AI image generator interface. We have to enter the text prompt here in this box. I am entering a prompt. A vibrant, iridescent chameleon perches on a delicate, curved branch, its scales glistening with intricate details. After that, I added some extra details. However, you will find all the prompts in the description box. Let's see how it does with PixNova Free AI Image Generator. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio from here. You will find a bunch of options. Select a ratio as per need. Now, to generate the image, hit the Generate button. And here it is. The image is ready. It's very fast. And look at the quality of the image. It looks like a stock image. The detailing is just insane. I love the result. Now you may think it's a simple image. So, I am entering another prompt for generating a complex image. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio and then hit the Generate button. And here it is, the image is ready. And look at the image, this is just amazing. You can even notice that it perfectly draws the text I mentioned in the prompt. So, you can create text-based images also using PixNova. Not only realistic images, but you can also create images in any style. Here at the left side, you will find all the styles. You just have to select the style you want to create. Studio Ghibli is now trending. Let's create a Ghibli style image. After selecting the style, enter the prompt, set the aspect ratio, and then hit the generate button. And here it is. Our Studio Ghibli style image is ready. This is just amazing. In this method, you can create any kind of images using PixNova AI. Like this one is a 3D image. Okay, want to transform your realistic images into anime style. Then, go to the All AI Tools tab from here, and then select the Photo to Anime Converter tool. Once you are on this page, click Get Started for free. Now we have to upload the original image. Once the image is uploaded, enter the additional prompt here in this box, and then hit the Generate button. And here it is, the image is now in the anime style. And the quality of the image is really amazing. So now you can turn any image into an anime image. Okay, do you have a very low quality image? Don't worry, you can enhance and upscale the image for free with the PixNova AI Image Upscaler tool. Once you are on the AI Image Upscaler playground, click here and then upload the image you want to upscale. After uploading the image, set the upscale value and then hit the upscale button. And here it is, our image is ready. And now you can see the quality of the image. So, don't worry about the low resolution image. Just upload, hit the upscale button, and get the high quality image. And if you are not satisfied with the details of your image, then you can use the AI Enhance feature to add details. After coming to this page, upload the image you want to enhance. Next, set the creativity level and then hit the Start button. And here it is, our image is ready. This is just amazing. There are so many image editing features available on PixNova. However, now I am going to share the most important feature of PixNova AI, the face swap tool. Here in the face swap tools, you will find so many AI face swap tools or features. I will go with AI face swap. This is the face swap interface. There are 3 options available here: photo face swap, video face swap, and multiple face swap. To swap faces from any image, go with the photo face swap feature. Here in step 1, we have to upload the source image. I am uploading this image. After uploading the source image, upload the reference face image. This time, I will upload this image. Once the images are uploaded, click on the Start Face Swapping. It will take some time to swap the faces. And here it is. Our image is ready. This is the final result. You can see that the PixNova AI perfectly swaps the faces. And the result is just amazing. I love it. Alright, now let's try to swap faces from a video. Go to the Video Face Swap tab here. Now, like the image, we have to upload the source video footage. After uploading the video footage, come to the second step and upload the reference face image. Once done, simply hit the Start Face Swapping. It will take some time. Here is one thing, let me be clear. You can swap faces 3 times only every 12 hours. This condition is only applicable to the video. The images are unlimited. If you are in a queue longer than 250, you may face problems and get this message, and you may have to try several times to get access. Alright, our final video is ready. Let's have a look. This is just amazing. So now you can swap faces both from images and videos. Alright, now let's try the multiple face swap feature. This feature is available only for images at this moment. To try this feature, I will use this image. Once the image is uploaded, the AI will detect all the faces. Now you just have to upload a reference face image for every image. Once you are done, click on Start Multi-Face Swap. After waiting some time, I got this result. And look at this. It works perfectly. PixNova produces a high-quality result. Here you can see the before and after versions and the face I used to create the face swap. This is just amazing. So, whether you want to swap faces from any image or video, you can do it for free on PixNova AI. Most importantly, it produces high-quality results despite being free to use. Do you have a large number of images and want to change the face within a single click? Then you have to use the Batch Face Swap feature. Once you are on this page, click here, and then upload all the source images. Once the target images are uploaded, upload the face image. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is, you can see that all the images have the same face now. This is not the end. You can swap faces from a GIF. There are so many features available on this AI platform. I can't cover everything in one video. Please try it yourself as it is 100% free. In conclusion, whether you are a content creator or want to have some fun, PixNova AI is the best free AI tool for you. So, don't forget to try this tool. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience using PixNova AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.